All right, welcome back to the #1 EduPod. It's fantastic to have you with us today. I'm Eddy, your host, and this is the place where we dive deep into conversations that genuinely matter, challenging our perceptions and fueling our curiosity. Today, we're tackling a topic that's often misunderstood, yet incredibly vital in our increasingly tech-driven world. And I'm thrilled to introduce our special guest, Jordan, who's here to shed some much-needed light on it. So, grab a cuppa, get comfortable, and let's unravel the fascinating world of AI versus automation. Jordan, it's brilliant to have you on the show.
Thanks, Eddy. It's great to be here and chat about something I'm really passionate about.
Fantastic. So, Jordan, let's just jump straight in. There's a huge buzz around AI, especially with things like ChatGPT and Gemini. Many people seem to think that AI, particularly these large language models, will automatically handle everything. Is that really the case?
That's a brilliant starting point, Eddy, because it's probably the biggest misconception out there. While LLMs are incredibly powerful, providing intelligence, generating content, and even helping with prompt design, they don't inherently automate tasks on their own. Think of it this way. An LLM is like a super smart brain, but it still needs a body to actually do things.
So the brain needs the brawn, so to speak. So, if AI provides the thinking, what provides the doing?
Exactly. For true automation, you need to integrate these LLMs with dedicated automation tools. Tools like Make.com or Microsoft Power Automate are what provide the doing part. They're the hands and feet that take the intelligence from the AI and put it into action. Without that integration, an LLM is just a very clever content generator, not an automated task performer.
That makes a lot of sense. So we're talking about a combination then, an AI automation as some people are calling it. Can you break down the core difference between just AI and just automation before we dive into how they combine?
Absolutely. It's crucial to understand the distinction. AI, or artificial intelligence, is all about machines thinking and learning like humans. It involves interpreting data, reasoning, making decisions, and understanding language. The key here is its ability to learn and adapt. It can improve its actions over time based on new information. It's like the brain of a robot.
Right, the brain.
Then you have automation. This is about using technology to perform tasks without human intervention, but critically, it follows a set of predefined rules. Once you set it up, it just runs that specific process the same way every time. It doesn't learn, it doesn't adapt unless you manually go in and change its parameters. So, if AI is the brain, automation is the robot's arm, performing the same movement repeatedly.
That's a fantastic analogy, the brain versus the arm. So AI can improve and change, while automation performs tasks consistently, but without learning. And this is where AI automation comes in, right? The best of both worlds?
Precisely! AI automation is where the magic truly happens. It's the combination of AI's intelligence and automation's execution. This allows for highly efficient workflows where the intelligent part and the doing part of a task are both automated. It's revolutionizing business processes, and honestly, it's been a game changer for me personally.
Oh, tell us more about your personal experience, Jordan. How has AI automation impacted your work?
Well, Eddy, I've managed to automate over 80% of my marketing work using AI automation. That's a massive saving in time and effort. It's allowed me to scale my operations without needing to hire a huge team, significantly boosting profit margins. It's about making existing teams 2 to 5 times more efficient.
80%? That's incredible. Can you give us a concrete example of how this works in practice? Perhaps a workflow you've implemented?
Certainly. Let's take YouTube content production. It's quite a complex process, but AI automation streamlines it beautifully. First, I input a working title, an SEO keyword, the publish date, and any affiliate links into Airtable, which acts as my database. Then, I paste the YouTube video transcript into Airtable.
Okay, so Airtable is the central hub for the raw information.
Exactly. Once that's in, I hit a Create YouTube Assets button. This triggers Make.com, which is my preferred automation tool. I find it more advanced and user-friendly than Zapier for complex AI workflows. Make.com then sends the transcript to OpenAI, which is the AI engine, with very specific prompts.
And what does OpenAI generate from that?
Oh, it's brilliant! From that single transcript and those prompts, OpenAI generates 5 SEO-optimized titles and 5 attention-grabbing titles. It also creates a YouTube description with 3 relevant hashtags and, crucially, timestamps for video chapters. But it doesn't stop there. It even suggests content for my video thumbnails, trained on successful examples like Diary of a CEO, ensuring they're impactful.
Wow, that's incredibly comprehensive. So it's not just automating the basic tasks, but also the creative and strategic elements.
Precisely. It's automating the intelligent parts, like crafting engaging titles and descriptions based on the learned patterns of what works. And the best part is, this system can then repurpose that content. From that same transcript, it can automatically generate promotional emails, blog posts, and social media updates. It's a true content multiplier.
That's phenomenal. So for businesses, this means not only increased efficiency and productivity, but also potentially significant cost savings by reducing the need for extensive hiring.
Absolutely. It allows individuals or smaller teams to achieve what previously required much larger resources. You can build multi-6 or even 7-figure businesses with far fewer people simply by leveraging the power of AI automation. It's about working smarter, not just harder.
It sounds like a fundamental shift in how businesses can operate. For anyone listening who's perhaps a bit overwhelmed by all this, what would be your key takeaway regarding AI versus automation?
My key takeaway would be this: don't confuse the brain with the arm. AI provides the intelligence, the learning, and the decision-making. Automation provides the consistent, rule-based execution. When you combine them, you unlock AI automation, which is a powerful synergy that can transform how you work, creating workflows that are both smart and efficient. It's about understanding that AI is a tool for intelligence and automation is a tool for action, and together, they're unstoppable.
That's a brilliant way to put it, Jordan. The brain and the arm working in perfect harmony. This has been incredibly insightful. Thank you so much for breaking down these complex concepts into such understandable terms.
My pleasure, Eddy. Happy to help clarify.
Remember to like this video if today's conversation helped you see AI in a new way. It really helps the channel grow and lets us keep bringing you meaningful conversations like this one. If you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode of the No.1 EduPod. We drop fresh discussions every week that challenge ideas, spark curiosity, and help you learn beyond the classroom. And finally, drop a comment below. What surprised you most about the comparison between automation and AI? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next episode.